All right, let's do one of these. Remove duplicates from sorted list. Okay, so given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all nodes that have duplicate numbers. Probably have like a pointer, 2-pointer, or like make a new list. But let's try with 2-pointers because we were in the 2-pointer list. Maybe we can start with last head. And then maybe have, so let's say, okay, this is the last head. We'll start that as the start, and then we have a cur. Go here. Is this different? Then leave it. And then this will be updated to the last head. Is this different? And then we move cur. Yes, so this will be the last head now. And then is this different? No. So we actually stay here and we go here. Then we swap these two. And then make this the last head, and then the cur. Actually, this is the last head. Yeah. Well, I guess this is like last node that is different, because we want to stay at like that, and then we only swap when we are different and move this last head. So let's try that. We'll call this last. We'll call this previous, I guess. And then cur is also equal to head. While head. And then we'll just do maybe we'll do actually we just return head, because head is just going to be altered. Okay, perfect. So, well, not while head, while cur. Should I move on to the next, actually? Yeah, I should move one forward. And let's see, if not head or head dot next. Do not head dot next return. That makes sense for now, right? There's always going to be a node. Okay, so we'll say this. While cur, if cur dot val does not equal cur dot or prev dot next, or then they're different, so move them forward. So we'll do cur equals cur dot next, and we'll say prev equals cur. Else, okay, else they are the same, so like this, 3 and 3. I should probably say, well, I'm gonna move like this, right? This, and I'll have it like this. So and then cur will stop. this. Yeah, okay. Oh, wait, this is a little weird. Oh, wait, what? We removed them entirely? Oh. Oh my god, actually this is way harder than I thought. Because mine would actually leave one. It would leave one of each of the numbers. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we removed 3 because that was duplicate. Okay, then fine. Damn, I might need a dummy node actually. Oh no. Yeah. Move this. Okay. There. Here. Okay. This is cooked. Okay, so then how do I know if they... Okay, I see. Since they're sorted, I'll know that they're duplicates because they're the same. So if I move them 2 at a time, I'll know that the node we're on is the same. Okay. I might need like a... Okay, instead of this, I'll call this okay, we'll redo the logic. If they're different like this, then then we'll attach this. Yeah, I 100% need a dummy. Damn, actually, I actually might need cur to be dummy. And then we'll iterate through. Okay, this is tricky. Okay, so I'll have... Yeah, I think this is the... Okay, I have it close, pretty close. I actually will return dummy dot next. Okay, so while head, if head dot next and head dot value does equals head dot next dot value, then we found a duplicate, right? Like this, it's like a 3 3, like 1 1. Then I actually want this to be the like before the thing, so we'll do 0 and head. So so it'll be dummy, then previous is let me visualize this. So like it's previous, brother. We have previous here. Previous is here. List node is actually something here that points to this. That doesn't have it. It's not really, it's just useless. And then head, we're just gonna move head along. So while head here and this is the same, then I want to point this to whatever is different. So let's say these are 1s. Let's say this is 2, 3. then move this guy here. No, not this guy. I want to move this guy. I want to move this guy here. I want to move this guy here. Yeah. So once there's a duplicate, prev equals, all right, I guess prev dot next is equal to, well, first I need to move it first. So while head dot next and head dot val equals head dot next dot val, head equals head dot next. So just keep moving until we found something different, like this, and then we find it. So we're gonna assign it to head dot next. Okay. Then I need to update something. Then so let's say we skipped it. Let's say there's like a happy case, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, I want to. Okay, yeah. This is the point of this is just so we have access to the head. Then the previous is just going to. The previous is going to be. So like, let's say previous starts here. Head is also here. These two the same. So we move head. Yeah, we just keep moving move them together. So we'll just do if they're the same or if they're different, then we just do prev equals prev dot next equals head, or not head, equals prev dot next. No, not just move them, move wherever the head is. So we'll do prev dot next equals head, and then traverse head. I think that should work. I got an infinite while loop. Uh-oh. Or, okay, actually, okay, where should the prev go? Prev has, no, just move wherever he is at. So, like, if they're both here, move them here. Then they both are access to head, so just prev dot. Like, head could be, yeah, just move head. Yeah, move it head dot next. Or not head dot next, prev dot next. Because, we'll be moving this along. So, like, if basically, they'll always be on the same node, I think. Unless something happens, which is duplicates, like right here. Then this guy will move along a little faster. We'll skip, and then that's when they are different, and then we'll do prev dot next. This points to, or this would be actually right here. Like right now, this is where head is, and prev is also here. So right now is head and previous. They check, they're different. So prev dot next is also here. Head dot next is also here. So like they're pointing at the same thing. Then head dot next and head, they're different. So we actually move both of them here. Then we're gonna check right now. We're the same. We're actually the same. So actually move head along until they're different while head.next right here, while head.next exist and head.value 3 and the next dot value is the same, move along. So this equals head.next, and then they are different. Yeah, they're different. So we also put prev.next, which is here, to here. And this would trigger again, and it would skip it, and we'll go to prev. Yeah, I think this works. No, it doesn't. I think I had a feeling with the head.next, prev.next. Yeah, there's a problem with my detection here. I think it's a problem. I don't think. Why are we setting it to head? Shouldn't it be at like way before the list? Like I feel like we should like, cause like what if the start? What if this was like? How would I remove this previous? I would have to use the. Yeah, I think it's the dummy node. I made a dummy node for a reason, right? Yeah, there you go. All right, see you guys tomorrow.